Welcome everybody back to Monster Transmission, another episode on SS Extreme. This is what actually we stick in SS Extreme. This one here is a 4L80. A lot of people would like to know what exactly what's a SS and what's a SX Extreme and what the warranty is. There's actually a 30-day warranty, but it's extra with a 90 days. And the reason these has a short warranty because these units are being used in performance vehicles, track cars, 4x4s, and guys that want to get out there and just abuse these vehicles. So we're going to start with the kit. Lip seals, O-rings, filter. These are your rings, pump, seals, everything you need, and gaskets. These are stock. I want everybody to see what the difference is between a stock, a high energy, and the res performance. The difference between the stock steels and heated resisted steels. Two different steels. So when a guy purchases a SS Extreme or SS, he's going to see these parts in there, not stock parts. We also put in what we call a no walkout bushing inside the unit in the case. And I want everybody to see what the difference is between the stock bushing and no walkout. It's a big difference. That's why they call it the no walkout, and it also has a ring around it so it won't walk out. And most builders out there know that if the bushing is in perfect shape, there's no reason to be swapping out certain bushings, because it already does create more of a problem. We also got here the lockup solenoid, your 1, 2, and 2, 3 shift solenoid, your pressure manifold. We also put a complete bearing kit in it. Not only the bearing kit, also a bushing kit. This is your EPC. EPC is like a heart, your heart pumping. Actually, when this thing loses pressure, what happens is the transmission starts slipping, and if you don't get it checked out right away on the transmission, that means the unit will burn up. We also put brand new SPRAGs. There's actually 3 SPRAGs in this unit: the overdrive, lower, and intermediate. And we also put in a shift program kit by Superior, and a complete washer kit, wiring harness. This is called an input shaft, but on the X, the SSX, we put in what you call the billet shaft, input shaft. You can see the difference between the shafts. This is factory, this is a billet. Not only did we put that in, we also put in the forward hub that goes in the forward drum, which is also a billet hub. And on top of that, we also replace all of the motor pistons. I recommend on every build, even a stock transmission, because these things do fail and it also causes training to burn up. On top of that, we also put in a brand new lower reverse band and your forward band. And we also put in a new snap ring in the intermediate. And if you guys have any questions, you want to know more about the SS or the SX Extreme, just call us at Monster Transmission at 1-800-708-0087.